Okay, let's check the camera's effect on ManyCam. Check the device first. Camera is FHD camera. Microphone is also FHD camera microphone. And the speaker is also FHD camera microphone. And we can see the image effects in the screen area. The effect is pretty good. That's because the algorithm in the camera already optimized relative data for beautify effects. While on professional stream live app like ManyCam, we can also adjust all the parameters like brightness, contrast, saturation, and color. Let's try to adjust the color to see the difference. Okay, increase width in red color. We can see the change is obvious. Okay, put it back. Now try to decrease a bit in blue. The change is also obvious. So we can adjust the video effect as per the light situation and our specific requirement. Okay, let's try the remote. Zoom in. Zoom out. Okay, let's also try to adjust the view angle towards full direction. Downward first. Now we can even see the flow. Okay, upward. Now we can see more and more ceiling. Okay, leftward, rightward, and we can return the default setting with a click on Home key. Okay, right. And we can also mute the microphone and up the camera on the remote directly. Okay, mute some microphone. Okay, of the camera. Okay, activate it again. Check something in detail. We can move the object closer to the camera. For the best effect, keep the objects around 8 cm from the camera. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. When I was young, I listened to the radio, waiting for my favorite song. You can play a short sound from video to test the speaker effect.
我在思考，爱怎样处理你？名字，文字，这所。
Let's unbox and check what we got inside. Use the manual. Power cable. USB cable. The camera itself. The front side. Also prepare a USB converter to make sure the MacBook user can also connect the camera.